Two eagles, one big appetite. Food fanatics. We are in Albania officially. This is my first time in the country. As you can take a look here, I am in Skanderberg Square, this massive square in Europe. It has a very European feel to it, and I cannot wait to take you on the journey. Now, in the next 20 or so odd videos, we're gonna be traveling all over Albania. We're gonna be eating a lot, regretting things a lot, and we will be devouring whatever we can see. I can't wait to show you the journey. So join me along, hit that sub button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below if you've been to Albania or what I should try, and let's go. Okay everyone, so for today's video, what we're gonna be doing specifically, we're gonna take a cable car and we're gonna go up into the mountains that you see over there, and then we are gonna take a look at Tirana from above. We're gonna find a good couple of restaurants for the day. We're gonna eat some food, we're gonna share that food with you, and we are gonna fill our bellies. Let's go. Can you see the excitement in my eyes for being here in beautiful Albania? Let's roll. Okay, so bus dropped me off around 10 minutes ago. Gotta now walk to the cable car company, and it seems, as you guys can see, to be an uphill walk, so let's roll. Oh, okay, got my ticket. It is 800 lek, which is the equivalent of $8 US. Round trip there, back up into the mountains. I cannot wait. I've had to walk uphill. I don't want to walk any further. I just want to sit on a cable car, look at the views, and rise to the top. If only life was that easy, guys. Let's roll. So that was quite the long journey. It was around 15 to 20 minutes or so going up, and you can feel the air significantly cooler as we've reached the top now. We're gonna hop around, we're gonna go explore the area, and we're gonna see, you know, how Tirana looks from miles above. Let's go, guys. So just walking around, exploring the place, my impressions of it, I love it. The air quality is a lot cleaner. I feel like I'm describing food, but the air is a lot cleaner. It feels a lot more peaceful. It feels like you are in nature, and I mean you are, because you're up in the mountains. To some extent, you can overlook the city. There's turkeys, horse riding. You can shoot BB guns. There's like mini golf course. There's plenty of activities here, so it's a little bit kind of like, you know, an amusement park up in the mountains. Pretty cool. I just love how clean and clear the air is when you breathe it in. It feels cold, icy, crispy, so good. Again, I feel like I'm describing food. I need to eat soon, I think. Let's go, guys. After a 15-minute journey, this is the view we came for. Wow. Albania. You're in my heart already. Okay everyone, so what you're looking at here behind me and even under me is bunkers. Now this is going to be a very common theme that we're going to see here in Albania, because during communist rule they built several hundreds of thousands of bunkers, and I'll be telling you more about that during the Albanian years. But basically they were worried about attacks from neighboring countries, so they built hundreds of bunkers, hundreds of thousands of bunkers all over the country, but they were never attacked. So what a waste of money. But you guys are gonna see this quite a bit in Albania. Just wanted to share that little historical fact with you. Let's keep going. We had our fun. We explored the place. There's some turkeys. There is a shooting range, archery, horse riding, dune buggies. There's even bunkers. But the one thing that there wasn't so far is food. And that's what we're gonna dig into next. I'm hungry. I've worked out my appetite. It's around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I haven't eaten anything. I want to eat, guys. I'm gonna grab it, gonna head down, and then I'll catch you in a bit. And we're gonna hit up a restaurant to have some traditional, delicious Albanian food. Lego. Yo, food fanatics, the reason I'm so excited right now finally is because I made it to the restaurant called Oda. Now this is very traditional Albanian restaurant, and I want to take you in there. I just put in my order. I wanted to come out here to shoot the video. I am starving. It is 3 o'clock. I've eaten nothing, only had coffee today. I've hit the gym. I've earned this, and I've walked up to, not walked up, I've telefreaked up to the mountains. Okay, so sitting here, place is so cool. It's so local. I love the feels of it. I've ordered my food, and then you can even see the ceilings. Look how it is. It's very traditional. I can't wait for the food, guys. I cannot wait. So far, I'm loving Albania. I'm loving how some of these restaurants are. I love the culture. Everyone speaks English. Internet is fast. Things have been good. But this channel is about food, so the one thing that matters is how good it's gonna be. Now I've ordered a soup, and then I've also ordered something called the tave, and I'll see how to describe it once it comes and it appears before me. And then I've got the ultimate Albanian Red Bull, which is, as you know, Rakia. Let's go. We've got the Rakia. Let's pour. Cheers. Gazor, as I like to say. Wow, it's good, it's strong, hits the spot, dries your mouth, your face gets flushed. I want more. It warms the heart. I see why they drink it in the Balkans. This place is cold, it's icy, and this warms you down, guys. Gazor, and welcome to Albania. Let's roll. It's good. Now while I'm waiting for the food to come, I want to tell you about one dish. It's called the Tavë kosi, which is basically, Wikipedia is back, guys. It's a dish made out of lamb and rice that's based with a mixture of yogurt and eggs added to a roux, R-O-U-X. I don't know what that is. It's popular in Greece, Turkey, even though I've never had that here, but we're gonna have it in Albania and it should be delicious, guys. Can't wait. First item is here, can't wait. First dish in Albania. Can you see the excitement on my face? What we've got is this soup. I'm gonna roll it up, guys. And then also, what we have, I'm looking at my friend's dish over there. What we also have is a nice bread basket. So, let's take and okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, we've got the soup. Let me show you a bit. Oh, it looks so good. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna go in on its own. Let's see Albanian soup. Let's go. So good. very creamy. The rice is very moist, it's very wet, it's so well cooked. You taste a lot of the carrot, a lot of that like coriander in it, in the veg. It's so good, it's creamy, it melts in your mouth, it's so warm, perfect for the heart after the rakia. Delicious. I'm gonna go in for another bite over here, but the bite, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna follow it up. You can see the onions here. I'm gonna follow up my bite with that fresh bread that they just gave us. Oh, it's so warm. If it's fluffy in my hands, let me take a bite. It's almost like a semolina cake. So thick, so warm, so spongy, so fluffy. Let's go. Reminds me of grandma's cooking. You taste a lot of that rice in there. You taste a lot of the carrot, big chunks of carrot, a lot of coriander. It's very herbally, it's very vegetable taste to it. It's good. If you have the disease that's taking over the world right now, you know what I'm talking about. This soup will cure it. You don't need the vaccine, you just need this soup, guys. It's delicious. Can't wait for the other dishes to come. I'm gonna take this bite with the bread, with a lot of rice, with a lot of that coriander. It's so colorful, it's so brothy. I love it. It tastes, I swear to God, it reminds me of my grandma's cooking, except a little better. Don't tell my grandma. Delicious. Creamy, vegetably, so light on the stomach, not oily. Perfect way to start off my first Albanian meal. Finally, the second dish is here. We've got the tave. You guys can see it. It's made with, I got it with the stomach. And it's got some rice in there. It's got it's got mushy meat. Oh, let me show you on camera. Come take a look, guys. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Lovely. Smells so good. Smells like organs. Smells very ricey. It has that starchy smell to it. Has a bit of an oily smell. The meat is just almost falling off of my spoon. Take a look at this. It's steaming hot. That's the first thing. It's steaming hot and looks delicious. Okay, so I'm ready to go in for my first bite of the tave. It's steaming hot. It has chunks of rice in it. It has that, you know, those animal organs in there, so it's lamb intestines and lamb stomach. Let's take it. Let's take that first bite. Let's see what it is. It's got a bit of that orange to it, so I assume that's maybe from a tomato sauce or something like that. Let's find out. Let's go. Very chewy, very meaty. A little greasy, I almost want to say, but that's, I think, from the organs. It takes a lot of chewing. There's little chunks of rice. The rice is so well cooked in there. You guys can see this. Take a look. There's so much rice, as you can see, the little chunks of rice here and there. It has a bit of a tomato sauce taste to it, so it's obviously being cooked with that. It's almost like a stew. Steaming hot, very hearty, very warm, perfect for cold winters here in Albania. I'm gonna go in for that second bite, and I'm gonna get a lot of the rice. Take a look, everyone. I'm gonna take in a lot of the rice. This is gonna be a big bite. 3, 2, let's cool it off. 1, let's go. Whoa, very fatty. Very chewy. It tastes very meaty. They've added a lot of spices to it. And these spices are dark, so it doesn't taste sweet or spicy, just like very meaty because of the spices that they've added. And the chunks of the rice just melts in your mouth, but it gives it that extra texture, that starchiness to it that's needed because it's so meaty. Very delicious, very hearty. This is very filling for the stomach because it's meaty and fatty. It has that rice, which is starchy. So good. First tave in Albania, delicious. Okay, so for my next bite, I've got a bit of the tave over here. I've got some bread. We're gonna mix them together. Let's see if that changes the flavor and the mixture of it. Very chewy, very dense, very warm. It is heavy, very fatty. This is very typical like mountain food, you know, on cold days here in European winter nights. But I will say this, I absolutely love it. My first impression of Albanian food, the rakia, the soup, so good. There's so much more to come. I'm here for 3 months and I can't wait to keep on eating.